Hey friends, welcome back. I have another unboxing from one of my favorite brands, Teddy Blake. So it's been a while since I've opened a Teddy Blake and I'm so excited. Of course, I had a hard time choosing. My favorite bags, which you always hear me talk about, are the Avas, my red one and my black one. I was so tempted to get a navy blue Ava with the gold and in the crocodile print, but I was like challenging myself, try a different style. So I'm going to try a different style. The Ava, she is one of the best bags. Look how wide she is. She fits a lot of things. It does come with a crossbody strap. It is stunning. It is gorgeous. If you can't see on the camera, it is gorgeous. In person, she is the bag that gets the most compliments. Both red Ava and black Ava, they get the most compliments out of any bag, out of any Chanel, Vuitton, whatever that I carry. So anyways, Teddy Blake is a fabulous brand, great quality leather, no nonsense, no line, no marketing. And I love working with them. So let's see what I picked. It is a style that I haven't used before. I do have other Teddy Blake bags. I just happen to show you my two favorites. Let's see what we got here. Now I went with something totally different. This season, I am channeling my inner Y2K since all the styles from the 2000s are coming back. And you've heard me say over and over, I don't wear shoulder bags. I don't wear shoulder bags. I don't have shoulders. But lately, shoulder bags have been catching my eye. So here she is. Now, the shoulder bags that are catching my eye, every luxury brand has them. You'll see them with this shape, with the skinny handles. I like the size and first impressions, this is really beautiful. It's a cute size. I was worried it'd be too big, but I wanted something kind of in between, something that would be not too big because I've got my big tote bag to haul things around, but I wanted it big enough that if I did have to carry like a notebook or journal that she would fit right in there. So this looked like it would be the perfect size, but I have a mirror that would be the size of a journal or a calendar. And yes, actually it does fit right there because sometimes I do need to carry a journal, a calendar, or something a little bit bigger with me that wouldn't fit in a handbag, but I wouldn't need my whole tote necessarily. This girl has a lot of room inside. So inside, it's something you should know about the bag is that usually it's never lined. So this is basically the other side of the leather. I originally wanted this in pink, but they sold out. So I thought the next best color for me would be the light beige. She's cute. What do you think? Since I've got my denim, we are channeling Y2K. This is something I would wear with this outfit. I totally didn't think about that when I started the video. Yep, she is in my Y2K era. Okay, let me grab some accessories and my purse so we can see what fits. I grabbed my purse. Another heavily complimented is this little girl right here with the Amazon scarf. Okay, the only thing might be a little troublesome, but it's still got its plastic. So once I get the plastic off, hopefully it's a little easier, is the way that it closes, which is similar to the Kim, that it has these little openings, and then you pick a slot, put that in and turn. So that's how you close the bag. I like that it's really lightweight and it's actually the perfect size. It's not too big. I was looking at a similar one at Nordstrom today, a Coach bag. So this might just do it. So, you know, similar thin handles, cute little over the shoulder. So let's see what fits. Gonna leave the mirror in there as my journal, my key pouch. I carry a card holder now instead of a wallet. I tend to carry two card holders now. Then my lipstick. Instead of putting this in here, I just got this pouch from my FabFitFun box. It's a card holder, but instead of the card holder, it's Stony Clover. It's from my FabFitFun box. You can check out that video. I'm going to put my lip products in here. So my lip balm, my lipstick, and ooh, a lip pencil just barely fits. Great, that's great. That way, in case anything opens, it's not rolling around in your purse. It makes it easy And there's also a zipper pouch in here where you can fit things. That's usually all that I carry. There is still room for sunglasses. There is room for the phone. There's a lot of room in this bag. So now I'm really glad that I chose this bag because it does give me more room than my Ava. So now for like events and stuff, I can bring my sunglasses. Since it's still summer here, I might go to an outdoor event and want to carry my sunglasses. So everything fits in there quite nicely. The bag itself is light. My stuff makes it heavy. So I probably wouldn't carry that much stuff on a regular basis. Now I'm gonna add my cute little addition to my wardrobe, my little birthday gift to myself with this Hello Kitty charm. She's so cute and she fits right there on the handle. She's so cute. I just love it. I love that I bought this. She's from Nordstrom. Looks great on all my handbags. I am not into the Labubu craze, not yet at least, I hope I don't. But I do like, you know, little things on the bag, not too much. And of course, I am a Hello Kitty fan, so dying over that. I think she looks sophisticated on the light beige bag, works perfectly. Leather smells good. I don't think I can ask for anything more out of a little shoulder bag. Honestly, I was worried it would be too big, but this is just the right size so that I don't overstuff it, because that's usually my problem when I have a shoulder bag or any bag, is that I will tend to put too many things in it. So it's really a good size. It doesn't have a crossbody, but hey, we are in the Y2K era coming back. We are in the era of little shoulder bags are now in again. I love it. Love it. So let me know what you think in the comments. This comes in a lot of colors. Light pink was my first, and there's also a light blue that I debated. But considering usually I buy colorful bags and I buy colorful clothes. So considering some of the colorful clothes in my wardrobe that I've added this season, like my orange dresses, the red dresses and stuff, I thought beige would be a good neutral to go with some of the dresses I have bought. I absolutely love it. I adore it. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to use it and report back to you guys. So let me know in the comments if this review was helpful. I didn't even name the bag. It's the Dana Dollarina. And it's actually a bag that I've been looking at for a while, but for some reason, like I was just stuck on the Ava. I didn't think it would fit my needs. But now that I see her up close, it's gorgeous. I really do like it. So check her out. She's the Dana Dollarina. The pictures on the website, I don't think does justice, honestly, now that I see her up close. Because, you know, you gotta feel and see the size of the bag and how it really looks in your hand rather than in a photo. Here's your video proof that it's a gorgeous bag. Well worth the money. Teddy Blake is honestly, it's just such a beautifully crafted bag. Very classic shape, simplistic, but not boring, that they always get compliments. So thank you so much again to Teddy Blake. They always give me a coupon code. It is TB-DIAL-M30, and you can find all the info down below in the description, and I will link it to the video as well. Thanks guys for joining. Let me know what you think. 2 other Teddy Blake bags. This is my very first one. This is the Kim. She is also stunning, gorgeous. It's a cool gray with gold hardware. Beautiful, beautiful, a little bit thinner. I find myself reaching for the Ava much more. And then we have the Kate. The Kate has been discontinued, but she's a really cute shape. Quite like the Kate Spade bags that were kind of that dome shape that made that brand famous. Probably why she's named Kate, but she is discontinued. Anyhow, so I am a fan of Teddy Blake. Bye.